Many people think japchae takes too much time and is only for holidays. I used to feel the same way, soaking noodles, stir-frying vegetables, and beef. It was just too much work. But with the microwave, I can make a japchae in only 8 minutes. Let me show you how. Soak the glass noodles in warm water for about 30 minutes. Drain them well. This way the noodles will cook soft and chewy in the microwave. The secret of japchae is the sauce. Mix 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of cooking oil, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of corn syrup, half tablespoon of minced garlic, and a bit of black pepper. 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Oyster sauce gives it a rich, savory taste. The charm of japchae is the mix of vegetables and meat. Cut the vegetables into medium thick slices so they keep some bite even after cooking in the microwave. Slice a handful of spinach. Slice the beef thinly so it cooks fast. You can also use fish cakes or mushrooms instead of beef. It's still delicious. Put the soaked noodles. Add a little oil for a glossy finish. And beef in a large microwave-safe bowl. Add half of the sauce and mix well. Place the vegetables on top. Don't add the spinach yet, it will get too soft. Cover with a lid or plastic wrap and microwave for 6 minutes. After 6 minutes, take it out. Add a handful of spinach and cook 2 more minutes. After 2 minutes, then pour in the rest of the sauce and mix gently. Finish with 1 tablespoon of sesame oil and 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds. Now you have a shiny flavor microwave japchae. When I first tried this, I couldn't believe it was made in the microwave. Please like and subscribe for more recipes. See you soon!